Hi everybody, and welcome to my very first modeling tutorial in Blender. Today I'm gonna show you how you can model in a dice. As you can see, it's not a regular boxish kind of shaped dice, it is a rounded dice. So let's create a new scene and get started. But before we start, I would like to say a few words about tools. First one is a loop cut, and his hotkey is Ctrl R. He did exactly as his name said, he cut in the loops. Press Ctrl R on keyboard. By the mouse wheel you can set the number of cuts. And if you have only one cut, you can move the new edge in a position you want inside your loop. You cannot move two or more cuts. So, the loop cut and his hotkey Ctrl R. The next one is Inset faces, and his hotkey is I or W. And once again, he works only in faces mode. Simply select the face and then press I on keyboard. Or you can press W and then select Inset faces from pop-up menu. The next one is Extrude, and his hotkey is E. You can extrude vertices, edges and polygons. Choose the right one and press E. Next is a snap. Very handy if you need snap one to another. You can snap to vertex or edges. I'm holding a Ctrl K when I'm moving. Another tool is a bridge. He is connecting edges one to another, but the numbers of it must be the same. Simply select edges and press W and choose bridge. And the last one for today is a grow selection. It's very handy when you want to select something. Select one polygon and press Ctrl plus, and your selection will grow up. First of all, let's move a camera and the lamp into another layer. We don't need it now. I start modeling with a simple cube and a bevel modifier with amount 0.55, and be sure to click on only vertices, then hit apply. I need a bit more points on those triangle's edges, so I selected by polygon selection and press W on keyboard, then click on subdivide. When I deleted these big guys, I chose only faces, because I will use his edges in the future. Now I select edges and subdivide them. I need more points, so I subdivide it again. Be sure you have 3 points on the edge, it's very important. After that, you can move the base to another layer and start to drill some holes. Create a plane and make it 2 cuts in both directions. Then make 1 more on each line. Then select 4 polygons in a corner and press I for Inset. After that, select inside 4 and press Shift S and choose cursor to select it. Then create a circle with 8 vertices and scale him down. Now we can use him as a guide for our points. Now I'm using a snapping for make sure that my points is in the right position. After that, I can delete my guide circle. Now it's time for extrusion. I press the E button for extruding selected faces. And also make 1 loop cut, just for make sharp edge. Clear the space by deleting the corner faces. Select the piece of geometry and copy it to a new place using the snapping. Repeat process to all corners. After that, you can click on Remove Doubles to merge all pieces together. Now it's time to join parts. Select it both and click Ctrl J on the keyboard. Now select the upper part and scale it down, so it can fit in to our main part. Next time smoothen the angles by moving the corner vertices. Select the upper part again and move it down using snapping. Now I press Shift S on keyboard and choosing cursor to center. I'm using the cursor as a pivot point for rotation. I'm modeling a standard 6-sided die, so it must be number 1 on the top, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the sides and 6 at the bottom. The technique is the same: delete, select, copy and move. Now we have 5 dots, but must be 1. So delete other 4 and fix the holes. I used Grow selection to select the part I needed. Then select an edge loop and click Alt-M and choose at center. Again select the other edges and dissolve them by clicking X and choose Dissolve. And then all starts again for all sides. I know this is not the funniest part of the tutorial, but the practice in modeling is the best way to learn something. When you finish it, select all vertices and press Remove Doubles. It's almost done. Now I selected the edge loops and using the bridge tool to connect in all parts together and fix the holes. So it is done now. All you have to do is add a subdivision surface modifier. Thanks to stay with me all the 20 minutes, and I hope you learned something today. My name is Stan, stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe, more tutorials are coming soon. Bye! In the description section below this video you can find the link to Blender file. File contains a final model and also models from every step from tutorial. You can start from layer 1 or layer number 4, for example, if you think you already know how to set up the base mesh. So you can always start from step you want. Simply select the right layer and join the lesson.